Start crest 130, good luck. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, crest 130. Unseen, 3 left, very long. 30, right of a small crest, 50. 1 right, half long, 30, square left. 30, small crest, slowing, 70. Double caution, square right and 1 left, to 1 right, keep in, 30. 6 left of the crest, very long. Into bridge and crest, 60 into bridge, into sudden 3 right, opens, 80, 5 left, tightens. Into crest, 40, left of the crest, to sudden 3 left, keep in, 60. 6 right of the crest, long. 70, 6 right, opens of a crest, and 4 left short, into crest, 60. Caution, right of a crest, to 3 left of a crest, 90. Take 4 right, 100. Crest, 50. Crest, to slight right, 110. Caution, 5 right, tightens 4, half long, and square left, into 5 right short. Into 6 left, 50. 6 right, into small crest, and 5 left, don't cut, into slight right of a crest, 40, 6 left, short of a crest, 40, bump, 70, late 3 right, don't cut, 30, slowing, left of a crest, and slight right, and 3 left, opens, and slight right of the crest, 40, slight left, 60, care, 5 left of the crest, 30, 5 right, into 6 left, and right of the crest, 120. Short, 5 left, 5 right of the crest, 70, 4 left, 50. 3 right, 180. Slight left, 50. Right of the crest, to slight left, and right of a crest, 160. 5 right, half long, 100. 6 left, long, don't cut, 40. Slowing, 5 right and 3 left, keep in and 4 right, opens, 50. Crest, 60. 5 left, 100. 5 right, short of a jump, 260. Turn square left. 80, 3 right, 60. Caution, bridge, and 5 right. Into 5 left, and 2 right, long. 40, 3 left, half long. Tightens 1. 30, 1 right, long, opens, and tightens, 50. Slight left. Tightens 5, and crest 70. 3 left, tightens 50. 3 left short, 40. 1 right, 30. 6 left, into 5 right, and 6 left, and 4 right, opens long, 30. 5 left, 90. 6 left, long, 60. 5 left short, to 5 right, opens, 40, slowing, crest, and right of a crest, 30. turn 1 left, 40, right of a crest, 50. 2 left, tightens, and slide right, over finish, 40, 5 right to stop. Okay, that's a 5 minute 0.1.